Sa mga kababaihang nasa reproductive age group, alam niyo ba kung ano ang mga risk factors for recurrent pregnancy loss? Howdy, this is Dr. Jen Ong, your friendly OBGYN. Ang mga risk factors for recurrent pregnancy loss ay ang mga sumusunod. Advanced maternal age, lifestyle factors, stress and occupational or environmental exposures, chronic endometritis, and male factor. So what is that about advanced maternal age? For advanced maternal age, risk is lowest for 20 to 35 years old. Risk rises sharply at 40 years old. For lifestyle factors, we have smoking, alcohol and caffeine intake, and obesity. Chronic endometritis concerns subclinical infection or inflammation of the endometrium. For male factors, this concern advanced paternal age and high sperm DNA fragmentation. So, if you have history of pregnancy loss at meron sa inyong isa sa mga factors na nabanggit ko, please visit your OBGYN para sa maayos na buhay!